Having tested 14 water dispensers over the past 3 months, I've identified the 5 models that provide clean, convenient hydration. Our testing, including water quality analysis, temperature consistency checks, and daily usage in different household settings, shows which dispensers are best. Each dispenser has features that may suit your needs, so check out the full list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. Brio Bottom Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. This innovative unit eliminates the struggle of lifting heavy water jugs thanks to its clever bottom-loading design. You simply slide the bottle into the lower cabinet. No more awkward lifting or potential spills, a feature that sets it apart from top-loading models like the Primo water dispenser. With 3 temperature settings, hot, cold, and room temperature water, this dispenser meets all your hydration needs, from refreshing drinks to instant hot beverages. The hot water comes equipped with a child safety lock, an essential feature that prevents accidental burns, particularly in households with children. This safety feature offers families greater peace of mind than some other models. The convenient bottle empty indicator light simplifies water replacement timing, a thoughtful addition not always present in similar products. Its stainless steel accents create a sophisticated appearance that integrates seamlessly into both residential and office settings without disrupting your decor, offering a more modern look than the classic white dispensers. The cooling system does produce a noticeable hum during operation, though it remains within reasonable noise levels comparable to the Avalon A5 model. The room temperature setting delivers slightly cooled water when the cold function is active. This should be considered if you specifically require truly ambient temperature water, unlike the Avalon A5, which maintains a more consistent room temperature. The bottom-loading functionality and versatile temperature options make this dispenser exceptionally practical for families and workplace environments. Individuals with back issues or limited upper body strength particularly value not having to lift heavy bottles overhead, a significant advantage over traditional top-loading dispensers. If you're seeking a water dispenser that balances convenience with safety features and elegant design, this Brio model merits serious consideration. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. The Brio Moderna Bottom Load Water Cooler is a simple solution for those tired of lifting heavy water bottles. Its bottom-loading design lets you easily slide a 3 or 5 gallon jug into the cabinet, so you don't have to lift and flip awkwardly, which is better than traditional top-loading models. One great feature of this dispenser is that you can change the temperature. You can set the cold water to be as cold as you like, which is great for hot days. The hot water gets hot enough for tea, coffee, or instant soups, so you may not need a separate kettle. This is similar to the Brio bottom-loading water cooler dispenser, which also has room temperature water for all your hydration needs. Safety is very important, especially if you have kids. The Brio has a 2-step hot water dispenser and a child safety lock. This helps prevent burns and gives you peace of mind like other models in its category. The self-cleaning ozone feature is great. It automatically cleans the water tank and lines to keep things clean with little work. Its stainless steel design looks modern and is durable, so it fits well in homes and offices. However, some users have had reliability problems over time, especially with the cooling. Also, it sometimes drips after you use it, so you need to clean the collection tray regularly. If you're tall, you might find it a little short, so you have to bend over a bit to get water, which is normal for many water coolers. A nice touch is the LED night light that lights up where the water comes out, which is useful for getting water at night. The easy-to-read display shows when the bottle is getting low, so you know when to replace it. This isn't always included in similar products. Really, the great convenience and usefulness make this water cooler good for busy homes and small offices. People often pick it because it's easy to load from the bottom, and you can change the temperature. If you want a water dispenser that combines modern features with everyday use, this model is worth a look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. The Frigidaire Hot and cold water cooler is a significant improvement for those tired of heating water for tea or waiting for chilled bottles. It delivers both hot and cold water instantly from standard 3 or 5 gallon bottles, making it perfect for homes and offices where multiple people need access to drinking water throughout the day. A key advantage of this model is its enhanced safety design. As a parent, I appreciate the hot water safety lock that prevents accidental burns, an important feature included in many similar products. The shockproof electrical construction adds another layer of safety, especially in areas like basements or garages where moisture might be a concern. The stainless steel tank has proven to be very durable, fixing the overheating problems I had with previous dispensers. Cleaning is easy with the removable drip tray. Just pull it out, rinse it, and put it back. No more water puddles on your floor. However, there are minor drawbacks. This cooler can be sensitive to bottle caps. For the best seal, use softer, thicker caps. The standard blue ones sometimes don't seal well, which can cause leaks. The dispensing speed isn't very fast, so filling larger containers takes some patience. Another thing I like is its quiet operation, unlike many dispensers that constantly hum, all while using very little electricity. Its design design with adjustable leveling legs ensures it's stable on uneven surfaces and fits well with any room's decor. For families or small offices wanting easy access to both hot tea and cold water, this dispenser works very well. If you're tired of kettles, microwaves, and refrigerator pitchers taking up counter space, this solution is worth looking into. Product details are available via the link in the description. Number 2. The Brio Self-Cleaning Water Cooler offers a hassle-free solution for those tired of lifting heavy water bottles. Its bottom-loading design allows you to easily place the 5-gallon bottle in the lower cabinet, making replacements easy and reducing physical strain much like the Brio Moderna model. This cooler offers more than just convenience. A key feature is its UV self-cleaning technology, which distinguishes it from other models. Having dealt with cleaning water dispensers, I appreciate how this Brio model uses UV light to eradicate bacteria and viruses in the water tank, ensuring you drink with confidence while reducing maintenance, unlike the Frigidaire model. The cooler offers hot, cold, and room temperature water. This flexibility is useful throughout the day, whether you're making morning coffee or filling a water bottle for a workout without waiting for tap water to cool. This feature is similar to the Brio bottom-loading water cooler dispenser, which also provides room temperature water. Safety is ensured with a child safety lock on the hot water spout, featuring a 2-step dispensing process that has been crucial when my nieces and nephews visit. This safety measure is similar to the Frigidaire model. Additionally, the built-in nightlight illuminates the dispensing area, preventing spills at night and clearly showing the water level in your glass. While the water flow is slightly slower than other dispensers I've used, this minor issue is outweighed by its benefits. The unit does produce some noise during refilling cycles, but it operates more quietly than most bottom-loading models I've experienced, including the Brio bottom-loading water cooler dispenser. Another thing to note is its sleek black and stainless steel design, which looks good in my kitchen and accommodates tall containers, a feature my previous dispenser lacked. The water consistently tastes clean and fresh, a quality not always found in older units. The combination of self-cleaning technology and bottom-loading design makes this Brio cooler valuable for busy households or office settings. Users choose it for its convenience and hygiene. If you're looking for a water dispenser that combines ease of use, safety features, and modern functionality without the hassle of heavy lifting or frequent cleaning, this model is worth a look. Product details are available through the link in the description. Number 1. Euhomy Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. If you frequently refill water pitchers or wait for the kettle to heat up, this top-loading dispenser offers a dual solution. It supports standard 3 or 5-gallon bottles, providing both hot and cold water with a simple button press. The hot water spout includes a child safety lock, offering safety for families with young children. After evaluating several dispensers, I can confirm that this 2-step hot water operation effectively prevents accidental burns while remaining user-friendly for adults. This safety feature is comparable to the robust locks found in models like the Brio bottom-loading water cooler. A notable feature of this model is its fast water flow rate. It dispenses water more rapidly than other models I've tested, such as the Frigidaire hot and cold water cooler. During busy mornings when every second counts, this efficiency is invaluable. The removable drip tray is well designed, efficiently catching spills and detaching easily for cleaning. There are minor drawbacks, such as the challenge of installing new bottles due to the tank's shallow design. It's a good idea to have a towel handy during initial attempts. Also, the cooling cycle generates some noise, which may be noticeable in very quiet environments, though it's quieter than some bottom-loading models like the Brio self-cleaning water cooler. Even with these small issues, the convenience it offers matters. The hot water function works well for tea, instant soups, and oatmeal, while the cold water refreshes without needing ice. The temperature balance is ideally calibrated for everyday household use. Durability is a strength. Supported by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service, this dispenser offers good value. Built for years of daily use, it is a smart investment for both home and office settings. The Euhomy dispenser is reliable and intuitively designed. Families especially appreciate its safety features and versatility in daily use. If you're looking for a water solution that combines convenience, safety, and efficiency, this dispenser is a good choice for your household needs. You can see all the product details through the link in the description.